Hello and welcome to Simple Salesforce. Today we'll review objects and anything related to objects in Salesforce. If you think about objects, so if in relational database systems, we call it as a table, and then you create new fields for tables, and then you insert a rows data into that one. Similarly, in Salesforce, we call it as an object, and then any new columns you wanted to add in that in those tables in relational systems, same as here in objects we add new fields, and then we enter the data and we call them as records, and that is how it goes. Type of objects we have in Salesforce, there are two. One is standard, one is custom. Standard objects, which are included in Salesforce, when you buy a new Salesforce org, Salesforce will by default give you these standard fields depending on your standard object, depending on your org or the type of org you are purchasing. And there will be you can go ahead and edit those standard objects also. In let's say you wanted to change the name, you wanted to add new fields into that one, you want to create relationship in standard objects, you can do all those things. Custom objects, if standard objects are not sufficient for you, you can go ahead and create custom objects for you, and then you can create custom fields inside that one, custom relationship inside that one, all those things you can create. So standard by default given by Salesforce. If you don't need more, you can go ahead and create custom objects. And then we'll just see what is exactly how we can do that in Trailhead. Let's just quickly open this Trailhead module. Like I said in my first video, Trailhead is the place where you can learn everything. So here, go and search understand custom and standard objects, and you will see how to do that. It will be very clearly step by step. Click the gear icon at the top of this page. So let's go ahead and do that one. Here is my gear icon. I just click on that setup, and this is going to open up my setup page, and here home is for everything. So you wanted to do any configuration, go here, but if you wanted to create a new object, go here. So these are, you see this standard object and the standard object, and then you'll see some custom objects here. So standard object, the one which Salesforce gave me. Let's just go ahead into the account object. Well, I'll talk about all those things later. Let's see how this standard objects fields and relationship work. So here I go to the fields and relationship. I wanted to create a new field. Go and create a new one here, and then you will see a lot of things inside that one. So all these are different type of fields you can create in Salesforce objects. Go and read through that one. If you see here, I just put a screenshot of that. Look for custom field types in Google. You'll be directed to this Salesforce knowledge page where you can find all the details about checkbox, currency, date, text. Similarly, the same way you learned from the beginning, like in any other relational database system, it is the same thing. You wanted a checkbox, it is a flag. You create a checkbox. You wanted to store something in a text field, you create a text field. Same thing, same concept. And then so once you do that, you will understand everything about all those different type of fields here. Formula is a little different one, we'll see that one. So it's like a calculated field. You are trying to show some data in one of the formula fields by calculating some of the data from some other fields. Like you wanted to concat two field values and so in this one, you can do that one. Look for the formula field, how to create one. Salesforce trailer will give you the details about formula fields, or knowledge can give you that one. And then different object properties, what exactly we have in this object page here. So when I go into this one, you see so many things in the left side. Let's go in again, go back to account manager, object manager, and then go to this account object. You see in the left side is details, fields, relationship, page layout, lightning record page. Okay, we'll go one by one. Details is going to tell you what exactly the API name and the and the and the label name. Label is the one which we saw on the screen, and the API name is in the backend. For account, you see something like just account. Let me show you something for the custom object, how that looks. You see it here. This is the label for a custom object. If I go inside that one, you see underscore underscore C, which tells you that it's a custom object. For standard object, you will not have that underscore underscore A, or sorry, underscore underscore C. So that is how it is. So whenever I am going to query something in my Apex code, I'll tell you what exactly Apex code is. So in that one, I'll just select ID, name, first name, last name, whatever we have the columns available in account, from account. That is how it is. If I wanted to do something from here, So I have to write select ID from this API name we are going to use. That is what we are going to use, not this one. This is a label. So let's go inside this one. So that is what the basic details about the object, and then the fields and relationship. I already told you. You wanted to create new fields, you can do that one. Second one is relationships. Relationship in Salesforce, it's exactly same as the primary field. We create primary relationship. We create in the relational database system. The foreign keys we create just to connect two objects. So there are multiple type of different relationships. We have I think I have a different module for that one, relationship in Salesforce. I'll explain in that video. So for the time being, just understand that we wanted to create different kind of relationship between different objects in Salesforce. We can do that by creating a lookup relationship and sorry, a lookup relationship, external lookup relationship, and there is something called master detail. Where is master detail? uh, the master detail is not showing up here because we have to enable that feature, so that not something like in setup, but we have to set up the field in another child object so that it will be shown up here. So I'll show you how to do that in the when we cover about the relationships in Salesforce. In that module you will see that one. So let's go to other things like the page layouts. Page layouts, like I explained here, that is where we place all the fields buttons in Salesforce, how we want people to see that. So anytime we we provide access to someone in Salesforce, first thing we have to provide a profile to them. We have to assign a profile to them. Profile, something I'll explain in some other modules. So profiles, page layouts are assigned to profiles. So the profile you are part of, let's say there is a page layout for account object called account basic page layout. So in that page layout, we are going to place account first name, account last name, account um, emailing address, all those things. So if we place those, then we'll assign that page layout to this account object, to the profile. And then that is how whenever the person who has that profile logs into Salesforce and go to the account object, he or she can only see those fields, not any other fields which we did not post in that one. You see it here in this page load. I have account number, account name. So this is the place where we decide what I need to put. I need to remove something from here, I can just go ahead and remove it from here. It will go back to this one. If I want to add something here, okay, go ahead and add it here. So this will be shown the data for this one when you save this page layout. And the person with the profile to which this page layout is assigned, they can see all those things whatever you just now placed. That is how the page layout is, just to let people know, let people allow what they want, what you want them to see. And then lightning record page. So anything we do here, you see this is a lightning record page. So this one which you wanted to put this quick account here, you wanted to put this publisher here. These are all lightning, small lightning components we have created, or some flow we have put in here, and those are the ones which we edit in the lightning record page. So that is how we set up how our lightning record page should look like. So if you go here, then just these are all things you can create from here. If you see just one, if you edit here, you will see this. Let's say how that looks. This is the way you design your app page, home page, record page. You can explore more on that one. So you are telling the you are telling Salesforce when this profile will log in with this with this into this account object, what exactly the lightning record page should show up to him. This is the one where you are deciding which type of a data you are going to show up on the screen. That is the lightning record page. And there is a trailer module for that one. The steps you can go from there, the one which I have just shown you, or there is other way, like if you go here, go to setup and create your lightning page, lightning app builder. This is the one where you can create a new lightning app, lightning page, and then you see all those account pages are here, the one which we are seeing in that page there. You see it here, all. Where is that? You can go again to another setup, and then I'll show you what exactly we are seeing inside the lightning record page of account object manager. Go to account and then click on lightning record pages. You see all these account record page, account record page, account record page, account manager, all those things are showing up here because we have created that uh, you can create here, you can create there. So once you do that here, you can actually assign, you can do the assignment, step by step. Salesforce will show you that one. If you do not understand, here is the talent model for that one. Look for build a custom record page and for lightning. Same text, search in Google, you will find it. I'm not providing any link because you will be able to easily search this one. Create a custom lightning record page, just new record page, click app builder, and all those things, it is written here, like how you can go there and how you can create one lightning page. Simple. Buttons, link and action. Create custom buttons, link and action. There is a trailer model for that one. I can quickly show you. We'll just create a custom link, custom and button link. You wanted to add a link into your page, you wanted to create a button in your page, you can do everything here by click. You see there is something they have written here. We'll see that one. So let's say if I go to object manager, I'll go to account, and then I'll go to buttons, link, action, and now click on this new button or link. And now here I already tried 2 3 things. Let's add more. Google test link, but it will not go to the external sites. So we have to try. Actually, we have to try something in Salesforce. You have to try something. Dot, but this will not go to Google because you need a connector and all those things. That is a separate thing. Just check syntax. So you have to link to let's say the opportunity record or something. Let me try this. If it is going here or no, you can see that one. Check syntax, or maybe there is a different way to write this one. In the trailer model, you can find exactly how it is written. It will tell you how you are going to set up this one. Do a preview. This is going there, I think, or it will show you don't have access. Yeah, it is going there. Use the leads we put in here. Okay, let's try this in. So let's quickly save it, and then it says the new custom link will not be displayed to users until you add it to the page layout. The page layout, just before a few minutes I told you, you have to add it in the page layout. Let's go to the page layout, and then you go to the account sales layout. This is the page layout which is assigned to me. So if you explore more on that page layout, what exactly that is, how you assign everything, you can find out from that, how the things are done, how the things are assigned to profile and all those things. So now we are going to custom links, and you see this Google test link. Let's put it here, description info somewhere here, and we'll do it here. Google test link. I just put it here, and then save it. So Google test link I saved, and then I'll go to my account object. Here I just did it. I'll go to this one. It's account already here. No, here it is here. Go to my accounts, and then I will go to this one, and then I'll see. So you see so many things on this one. So forget about this. This is all I have kept it here. That is how my page layout was designed. Lightning page. This is where we can see the data. Related means anything related to this account object, that data is showing up here. No need to worry. We'll see that later. Details page is where we can see all the details about account object. Go inside this one. You see there are so many things. Google test link. Click on this one. We didn't, it's not a Google link. We selected to go to the leads record. So now it will take you to the leads record. You see it here. We came to the leads. That is how we set up the links, which will take you to the inside, the link of anything inside your Salesforce. Compact layouts, as the name says, compact layouts are the smaller layouts on the top of the screen. If you see here, you see something on the top here, uh, account 2 3 something like that, and then the type, phone number, website, who is owner. This is smaller one is the compact layout. That is what you are going to set up, and you are going to assign to which user you wanted to show. So when they will log in, they can see this one on the top. That is how that is what called the compact layouts. And then this is what I just explained here. And then record types. Record types. What is record type? Record type is the one. It is mainly used for managing the pick list values, the drop down list item for any object. So if you have a pick list account object which you want 4 options for me and 5 options for you, like first name, last name, email address, city, all those things. Let's say 5 options you have total. You wanted to see all 5 options, but you do not want me to see the mailing address. Then what you can do is, in that pick list, you can actually block that pick list item for me from the drop down, so that when I log into my profile, go to account object and select the pick list of basic, let's say the pick list name is basic information. I can select first name, I can see first name, last name, but I cannot see the mailing address because you blocked that for me in the record type. So record type, I'll just show you quickly what is that one, how that looks. Go here, we have already some examples here. Let's go to test, and then when you see, when you create, you will just come to this page. Once you complete everything, this is saying pick list available for editing. So these are all the pick list in your account object which is available for you to edit. So you go edit one of those, and then you see these are all 1 2 3 4 5 pick list items is allowed for this one, but you are now going to remove one purchase list. This one will not be available for this record type, and this record type will be assigned to a page layout, and then that page layout will be assigned to a profile. So whoever logs in with the profile, and whatever page layout we are assigned, and that the record type attached to that one, depending on that you are going to see it. Maybe a little confusing right now, but if you just explore one by one, do it by yourself, you will understand how the data looks like. You can do it, just try hands on. You just remove few things and then log in, and then you will see how many things you can see. And one more thing, when we go page layout assignment, you see here on the right side there is a page layout assignment. If you click on that, you will see what is your profile and what is the page layout assigned to you. These are on left side, all the profiles defined here. No, these are the profiles, and what is the page layout for you. You see the record type which we were just talking. So record type, these are the 4 record types we created, and in that 4 record types we have selected to pick list values and all those things, and then we have selected a page layout. This is the account sales layout. This is what assigned to us, and then assigned to this profile. Let me see what is my profile done. Usually I go for this. We are system administrators when we own this org. So for me, this account sales layout is assigned, and what is the record type? Test 1122. In test 1122, if you just go ahead and remove the all the pick list values from one of the list, and go and log in, and then you will see when you select the pick list value, you will not see all those values whatever you removed. So that is how it is. Not a complex concept, but if you try and by your own, going into the Salesforce trailer module, hands-on org, everything is free. There is nothing going to be charged you, so you can go ahead and create all those things. You see, I'll just show you. If you read through that one and then you go down, there is a hands-on challenge for most of the modules in Salesforce Trailhead. You create your own org here, and then you just launch, because this is showing for me because I already logged in. You create your own, and then you just try. So it will guide you, do this, do this, do this. It is, everything is here, one by one step they have given you. Same thing you are going to create, and then you will know what exactly that, whatever we just talk about. And then the layouts, the search layouts. Okay, let's go and see what exactly the search layouts are. Search layouts are the one which you are telling the system, if somebody is going to search an account, how they are going to see the data. The default layout, what we have here: account name, account site, phone, account owner, alias. So let me see, there is an account I have here. Same account, will just search, control C, go and search here. You will find something like this. You see, this is the default search layout for you: account name, account site, phone, account owner, alias. So this is what we can see it here: account name, account site, phone. So you edit this one, you wanted to change any field in that one, you can do that. So this is the way we do it. Just move right, move left. That is how you do it. So once you do that, when you do a default search, this is going to show you all the fields whatever you wanted to see. Let's say street address, we will add it here and then save it, and there is no delay in that one. Once you click on save, that is going to take an effect. And now you just go and search it again. This one, is it showing or no? Or then may not be, or there will be total 4 allowed, or I can just show this one here. I'll go here, enter. I think one, what is account now? Account shipping address, yeah, it's coming here. Shipping street is coming here now. If you have any value in that one, it will show up here. That is how we are going to configure your the search layout. So there are different search layout, like recent items, what is the default search, and all those things. You can just go ahead and try it. So that's all for today, all about things. And there are many items here. If you see in account, you see Search layout in classic, hierarchy columns, triggers and validation rules. Those are bigger modules. I will explain in another video. But for the timing, just go ahead and try all these things, and you will get familiar with all those things. And then try Salesforce Trailhead, log into Trailhead, look for all these things what we learned, and then try your hands-on, and then get some badges. That's how you can earn more badges. That's all for today, and next we'll see relationships in Salesforce and triggers and validations. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.